Slovenia is one of the smallest European countries, but very diverse. We have Alps and sea. In Slovenia, we use for public transport buses and trains. Some cities are faster and easier reachable with buses, some with trains. Before entering, you have to buy tickets, except if the ticket office is closed or there is none. Inside cities, we have only buses for public transport. Lines are identified with numbers and final station. For using public transport in Ljubljana, you need a special card called Urbana. You can have monthly or you just top up as you wish. You can buy it at tobacco shops or at special machines, which have guidelines, also in English. On the bus, you enter at first door and exit on others. When you enter on the bus, you need to validate it, even if you change the line. With one Urbana card, can travel more persons, but you have to inform bus driver on it before validation. Children up to 6 years old travel for free. Some non-formal rules on buses. We are not loud. We always sit close to exit and leave first seats empty for people who cannot stand. For exiting the bus, we get ready before bus stop and we push button stop. Otherwise, bus driver would not stop at bus station. In all bigger cities and towns, there are also taxis. For traveling between cities, we also use application Prevozi Pika Go, which offers car shares for a good price. Asylum seekers, don't forget that for going out of the city where you are, you need special permission. Safe traveling to all.